tears are down, right? Da-dee-dee-dee-dee. Got her in. Got the holes drilled for the hardware. And the other thing they cried about, or not the crying thing. Anyway, I put him in now, and I already cut off the blah blah blah, and I'm going to put on the blah blah blah, and I'll show you how I do this. I need this to measure a certain measurement, okay? Papa takes the tape measure, and he says 4.5, okay? Take inside the valve, measures 3 3/4. 5/8 difference, plenty. All right, Pop, what are you going to do next? Well, I cut the pipe off with the pipe cutter, okay? Now I'm going to take the flux. Oh, wow. Aren't you going to clean the pipe first, Pop? Yeah, Where's the pipe cleaner, Coco? Oh, right here. Don't drop your phone in that water or you're doomed. Okay. Pipe cleaner. All right, Pop, ready. Hey, it's still filming. Pipe cleaner. Rah, rah, rah. Don't go backwards with it, Pop. I know, yeah. Pipe cleaner. Pipe cleaner. Oh, it's still going to be putting water, though. It's going to be trying to kill me when I solder, isn't it? I hope not. Oh, Lord. All right, I'll get back with you. Water. Solder. Solder and water don't mix. Not at all. Come in? Oh, that was me. All right, Pop. Where the bee got me? It's getting a lot. It's way better. Just a little hole there now. But you can see where you drilled me. All right, stop poop clowning around. What am I doing? Oh, I need that pipe cleaner for the inside of the. I got a special tool for that also. There's one in better shape. Okay. Gonna clean out that inside of this. All right, enough of this.